So here with me is the HP Elite X2 1012G2. It's a very special laptop, very sleek and portable. It's a 2-in-1 laptop, which means it combines the features of a traditional laptop and a tablet. It serves you like a normal laptop, and it also serves you like a tablet. It's a very special laptop with amazing features. I will take you through the functions and features of the laptop. So it has a very good design, very special design. Right here, it has a Type-C USB port and the normal USB port here. Then at the other side of it, it has the SD card reader. The microphone and the speakers are right here, so it gives you a very clear and quality sound output. It has a very nice HD camera with a flashlight, both front and back webcam. So you can see the sharpness and picture quality of the camera. It gives you a very good picture quality. It has a very nice keypad light that helps you type well in the dark. It comes in both Core i7 and Core i5 7th generation processor with 256 GB SSD storage that is upgradable to 2 TB, which means you can expand the storage capacity to 2 TB. The RAM is 8 GB, and it comes with Windows 11 Pro. So with that, you don't need any engineer to install softwares for you. You can easily go to the App Store and install any software of your choice. While the App Store is still loading, let's quickly check the browser so we can be able to ascertain the browsing speed. It's a very fast system. Let's check the video quality and the sound quality as well.
Download Glovo, order from all the restaurants in your city, and try something new.
So you can see the picture quality. So you can easily install any app of your choice. You don't need any engineer to install apps for you. Your Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, CorelDRAW, all your apps, you can do the installation on your own. So this is the Microsoft Office already installed. So any other apps that you wish to install can be installed through the Play Store. From the settings, you can access the facial recognition. So you don't need to input your password whenever you want to unlock the system. With your Face ID, you can easily unlock the system. Let's quickly test run that. So now it's not gonna log in. But once it sends my ID, my Face ID, it logs in. So it saves you time and makes your work easier and faster. Another feature, one other amazing thing about this system is that it supports pen touch. So if you're in a meeting or in a class and you want to take notes or minutes, you don't need to type. With the pen touch feature, you can easily write like a notebook. So it's a very nice laptop. It has all the features and functions you can ever think of using. The screen size is 12.3 inches with 2736 by 1824 resolution. So it gives you a full HD display. You can see the video, the HD video quality. Very clear, very bright. And this system comes with the original factory fitted Type-C charger and a brand new laptop bag. You might want to ask if the system if it has an HDMI port. The answer is no, it does not have an HDMI port because the thickness of an HDMI port is bigger than that of the system. But then it has a Type-C port. So this Type-C port serves as a universal port. Once the Type-C port is there, you can charge from the Type-C port. You can transfer to HDMI from the Type-C port. You can do virtually everything from the Type-C port. So you connect something like this to the Type-C port, and it gives you an option of an HDMI. When you connect something like this to the Type-C port, it gives you an option of a LAN port. So the Type-C port serves as the HDMI port, the LAN port, and every other port you might think of having on it. So this is a very unique and amazing laptop that gives you a very smooth computing experience. The battery is very strong.